right? So what if I can just look at my phone and then it unlocks? So let's try that. So I'm going to switch now. What I have for you in terms of my demos, just so you know, I've got a Galaxy Nexus S. Sorry, I have a Nexus S and a Galaxy Nexus. And I also have a Samsung Galaxy Tab here. So I'm going to try and switch over between these three different tablets. Sorry, these three different devices. See how things go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at my phone and see what unlocks. There it is. So I didn't touch anything. All I did was I pressed the power button and it unlocked itself. So very simple and easy. So the next thing I want to show you is some improvements we've done on the bidirectional, on the right to left support in the platform itself. And this, of course, here for you all is going to be on Arabic. So we've greatly improved that support in the product itself, in the platform. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you a very simple example of how that works. I'm going to show you a few more after that. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on this icon here at the top, the second one here, the microphone button. And to do a query, what I would typically do is I'd open up a browser, I'd type in something that I want to search for, and I click go. What I'm going to do now is rather than do that, I'm just going to hit the microphone button and tell my phone here what site I'd like to visit. So let's try that. Go to aljazeera.net. Very fast. And I'm not touching my phone yet. I wait for about 5 seconds, and it's going to automatically load that site for me. So it's pretty quick and very easy. Just wait for a second to load, make sure it works. Okay, and there it is. Great. So for the next demo, I'm going to need Rania, if she could come up to the stage here and help me with this one. So I'm going to show you another application that we have. It's Google Translate. I'm sure everybody have actually seen this. Just go back. Okay. So Google Translate, you probably know how to use this very well. You can translate from one language to another and so on and so forth. There's another feature we've added into it which is called conversation mode. And this allows you now to have a conversation with somebody else in a language that you don't speak or understand. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to have a conversation with Rania. So she's going to be speaking to me in English. I'm going to be speaking to her in Arabic. We don't understand each other's language. What we're going to do instead is we're going to use the phone as the translator between us. So let's see how that goes. Okay, just make sure my audio works. Okay, here we go. Mic on? Okay.
Hi, what is your name?
Okay, so very fast, you saw that. So what you'll see now, at the bottom here is this new feature we've added, which is enter conversation mode. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this.
مرحبا ما هو اسمك؟
Okay. So it has a male voice, that's interesting. Okay, so maybe work on that. So what I'm going to do now, so I now understand what she's saying, I'm going to respond to her now. أنا اسمي Ahmad Hamzawi.
My name is Ahmad Hamzawi.
Okay, cool. Should I try something else? Okay, let's keep going.
What kind of work do you do?
ما نوع العمل الذي ستفعله؟
Okay, let's try and answer her now. أنا مهندس كمبيوتر في سويسرا.
I am a computer engineer in Switzerland.
There you go. What do you think? Pretty cool, right? Okay. Let me switch now to another device.